Today, I'm with Nancy Viazzi, the CIMS account executive at ISSA. Nancy, welcome.
Hi, Jeff. Great to be with you again here.
We're going to talk about an important event at ISSA Show North America 2023 in Las Vegas. You're involved with this. What is it people should know about?
So we are excited here this year at ISSA, our 100-year anniversary at the North America Trade Show in Vegas. And the CIMS department is happy to offer this live workshop, the CIMS CCE Expert Class. It's going to be available at the trade show Monday, November the 13th from 8:30 to 4 p.m. You are not going to want to miss this if you are looking to pursue CIMS in the future or trying to understand the cleaning industry management standard. A lot to take out of this. You're going to learn about the updated standard, how to comply with CIMS and CIMS green building requirements, and overall just put your organization in a better place to lead your CIMS organization certification.
For those who attend this workshop, what does it mean for their careers moving forward?
So anybody who takes advantage of this workshop is going to be left with a 2-year certification as a CIMS expert, putting them in the front line of a leader in of the CIMS standard and the CIMS certification process for their organization or even as an individual. I'm excited. It's going to be my first time at the trade show, and just want to encourage everyone to come out and take part in this workshop that's available live at the show.